What's up, family? It's TK Profit from Profit Takers. We're coming back to do another charting session. Okay, we hop on daily. We look at the market, see what's going on, find trade setups, and figure out how we're going to execute. So I do this to help give back, and for all of those guys that are already trading, you'll be able to follow along with me and make money when we make money. We also have a few tools that you guys can use, like a free 9-day course that'll help you set up your demo account, help you set up your live account, and I teach you how to place trades. So to take advantage of that, you just go to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com, hit that free courses tab, take that 9-day course, and when you see me live, hop back in and make money with the team, okay? So let's go ahead and get started right now. All right, so we were looking at this trade earlier. Give me 1 second. Facebook, what's up? How y'all doing? IG, YouTube, how y'all doing? Okay, here we go. Let me make sure that this thing is in place. So what we're going to do is check out the news. See what's going on in the news. I like to see where the volatility will be. And volatility is pretty much just a high impact on whatever pair that you're trading. So if you see news on it and it says high impact, it just means that that particular pair may move faster than others. So when I'm looking at this news, it shows you the pairs in this fashion. So it shows you anything that's across with pound currency at this time will have high news. So we're going to look at pound crosses to see if we can find any trade setups. We also got euro with a high impact from the news. So we'll look at and USD. So pound, euro, and USD. We want to take a look at pairs where the crosses between those particular pairs. Go back to where you came from. Okay. All right, and from there we want to look for a trade setup. All right, so we're already on Euro USD. So earlier we were looking at this area right here. Price created a lower low, and it has now retested the high in this area. At this point, there's a good chance that price could pull back to retest this area here before continuing. And with it being the middle of the week, we could actually catch both of these trade setups if the risk reward aligns with our minimum risk requirement. Okay, so this one doesn't. For our minimum, we want to look for at least 1 to 3. This is 1 to 2.52. Okay, so it did not make it. So we're going to get rid of this one. And let's look to see how price shapes up from the lows. If we were to enter in right here with a stop loss here. Okay, cool. So this trade gives us a 1 to 6.79. And this little piece that I just displayed for you guys, which is checking the risk reward ratio on your trades before identified as a valid setup, that is going to save you so much in the long run. Because when you find trades where you can put up $10 to make $67, that's a good setup. Let's say you win 50% or even 40%, and you're getting $67 every $10 that you risk. You just had a great profitable week. Okay, so from here, let's go ahead and set some alerts. I'm going to put an alert right here where we have our stop loss. Okay. Also put an alert here. Now we just want to let things happen. So yes, we are looking to enter in this buy at this area here. But let's just say price continues to move up from this area. What we don't want to do is be too married to our setup to where we can't be flexible, okay? If price decides to continue and break the highs from this area, we'll simply wait for that break and retest. Now let's see if we did get a break and retest. What would our risk reward be? Would it be worth our while? Does it meet our 1 to 3 risk requirement? And yes, it does. Okay, it's a 1 to 4 trade. So it doesn't matter which direction it goes in right now. As of right now, the first thing that we're looking at is a possible fall in price from this area to retest this low. Okay, if that happens, we're going to enter in a buy at this area and take that buy to the next pivot high. What's that, 2 hour? Okay, cool. So on the 2 hour, a double top was formed right here. So what we want to see is price move back towards the high to retest that area. That's why it's one of our targets in this particular trade setup. Okay. So I got a couple people on. Let me just show you guys really quick, really easy system that we use. And I use this example. Well, I show this example with the line charts. And from there, I'll draw it myself. Let's see. Okay, cool. So if we look right here, price was trending sideways. This is one of the keys that I teach people to identify. You need to be able to identify the price trending sideways. Outside of that, you need to be able to spot this, an uptrend, where price is moving up, creating higher highs and higher lows. And you also need to be able to spot the opposite, which is the downtrend, when price is falling here, okay? So once you learn to identify those 3 things, then you can easily use them. Like for this example, price was trending sideways. We got a break above. And after price broke above, we got a retest from this wick right here. This wick retested that broken area of structure and gave us an uptrend. So that's what we're looking for in this case. The only difference is we want to enter in a little lower. We want to enter a little lower. All right, cool. All right, cool. So we want to wait until those alerts are triggered to let us know when to safely enter in this trade setup. Let me go ahead and set our targets. Boom. I'll wait until our trade activates before I put the alerts on those other targets. So that's Euro USD. It did say USD news, so let's check out pound USD. Okay, on pound USD, we got consolidation forming right here in this area. Cool. Now we just want to set an alert below and above this area and wait until one of those alerts are triggered and let us know which direction we should head in with this trade setup. Let's see what's going on the daily. That's a pretty strong move on the weekly. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just looking at the higher time frames to see if there's anything I missed. But as of right now, everything looks really bullish. Just means that the momentum to the upside is really strong. Okay. So if price does not reject those highs, we will see a long-term move to the upside on Euro USD. Oh, did that get played? I don't think it did. Alright, so from here, let's get rid of this extra stuff. I want to see what's going on right here in this area on a smaller time frame. So this is a daily chart. So I'm just going to slowly scale down to see if there's anything of interest right up here at the highs. Okay. So right here in this area, price created range. Now this area is yet to be retested, so there's a big chance that once price pulls back to hit this level, that we could see a retest of this level in a short-term pullback. Let me tighten this up so I don't have to do too much work. Boom. And this is on the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 2 hour to see if we can see anything else right here. Because this is definitely what we refer to as a double top. It just looks like an M. But normally when you see that M created or formed in the market, price will typically pull back to retest it and then go in the opposite direction. So let's see how things go. 2 hour. Okay. Yeah, so that's a really nice, clean, structural level of support for this area of consolidation. So let's just hold this level right here. We'll see how things go. So as of right now, it looks like we should be looking for a buy. And we're going to wait until price gives us a safe area to enter in this buy. Okay. So right here inside consolidation, we do have a double bottom right here at the lows. So there's a chance that we could see the same exact setup that we're looking for on Euro USD on Pound USD. Okay. A retest of this double bottom, then a continuation of the uptrend. Excuse me. So, yep, let's just set some alerts right here. And it's funny, but in a lot of cases, when you have the news, some of the pairs will be similar as far as the way that they are set up. So that was nice that we saw a little correlation there. But we're about to hop on with the VIP members. So we're going to end this session and go to our Discord. But I thank you guys for jumping on. And again, if you do not have your account set up to take trades and you would like to get started, you can head to our website, ProfitTakerZU.com. Head over to that free courses tab. Take that free 9-day course. I guide you through setting up your account. And you can trade from a demo account risk-free just to test everything out and see for yourself how profitable we actually are. And once you're comfortable placing your trades, you can set up your live account and get active and go green with the team. We also have our mindset series, a free trial for it called Structure Breaking. This is going to help you align everything else, your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. And then we use our 6-week journal to help you become more intentional with your words. And once you align your words with the feelings and the thoughts of the being that you want to become, you'll start to see the change in your actions that will lead to the change in your finances. So outside of that, we have our books that are available on Amazon, 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. It covers all of the concepts I use in our charting sessions and in our live trading sessions. We also have log books for Forex and options to help you log not only your trade setups, but your emotional state through the process of executing. Last, we just have our merch. So you guys support the vision, support the team, and remember that you're only one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay. Let the streets know. Okay. Let the streets know.